purchased and equipped all the ambulances.
What's the cost, sir?
About 1.5 crores. And little extra we have put in, but 1.5 crores we have received from MRF. This new fleet of 108 ambulances, which are now these new cardiac ambulances, which will be first of its kind in India, which will be a part of the 108 fleet. And also today it is not just flagging of the ambulances, it is also about launching a new program which we are going to launch in phases. That is the STEMI program, which Dr. Guru Prasad will elaborate. पयलीं कितें जातालें की पेशंटाक जर हार्ट अटॅक आयलो ताबडतोब ताका ट्रिटमेंट गावंक जाय आनी आमचे उद्देश कितें आसा की एक 10 लोकेशनान ह्यो एम्ब्युलन्स आसूंक जाय.
Right now there are 5 ambulances which are equipped to provide the highest level of care. They have very modern equipment which would be comparable to the facility that you can provide in an intensive care unit. There is continuous patient monitors, there is defibrillators, ECG machine, ventilator, as well as all emergency medications that would be required for a critically ill patient. With the system as it has existed for many years, typically the thrombolysis is not administered as early as one would like. And so the whole idea behind the STEMI program is to give this thrombolysis as early as possible.
ब्रेस्तारा भलायकी मंत्री जीएमसीन लॉन्ड्री सिस्टमाचे उक्तावण केले. ही सर्व्हिस आउटसोर्स केल्या. 6,000 आयटम खंय एका दिसाक धुवन सुकोवपाची हे लॉन्ड्रीची ताक.
ना, लॉन्ड्री टोटल आमी आउटसोर्स केल्लो आसा. मिस्टर रॉय वाज इको क्लीन. त्यांनी टेंडर कोट करून तांकां ते टेंडर गावल्लें आसा. आनी कितें जातलें की पयलीं कितें जातालें की एकदम घाण तरेचे बेडशीटां भायर येतालीं, इस्त्री सारकी जायनासली, फॅर सारके जायनासले आनी कंप्लेनां खूब येतालीं. आतां कितें जालां तुमकां एक ब्रीफ करूंक सोदता, कित्याक तुमी म्हणटले की इतले बरे लॉन्ड्री आतां तेणी घातलेले आसा. आतां तेंचो प्रयत्न कितें आहा, एक जर्मन टॅक्नॉलॉजीचे एक ऑटोमेटेड अशें एक लॉन्ड्री ज्या माध्यमांतल्यान गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाचे सगळे बेडशीट्स आनी सगळे कपडे बी जे घालूंक जाय ते पेशंटाक लागता, ओटीचे वेगळे गोश्टी आसता, हे सगळे गोश्टी बऱ्यापैकी धुवन हायजीन मेंटेन करून बऱ्यापैकी जे प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलान ना त्या तरेची फेसिलिटी आमी गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटलान करपाची आमी केल्या. सगळ्यो बेडशीटां बी तुमी पळयतले, आजिलो, हॉस्पिसियो, फोंड्या आनी खंय मडकय आसूं काय वाळपय आसूं, हे सगळे बेडशीट्स हे सगळे गोश्टी हांगा येतल्यो. हांगा धुवन मागीर हांगा गाडींतल्यान ते थंय धाडटले तांकां हें करपाक, थंय त्या हॉस्पिटलाक वयतले. म्हणजे ह्या तरेचे स्टँडर्ड्स मेंटेन करपाक म्हणून आमी हे लॉन्ड्री आउटसोर्स केल्ले आसा.
मेडिकलाचे क्वॉर्टर्स नव्यान बांदपाचो सरकाराचो प्लान आसा. रिटायर्ड मेडिकल स्टाफान सरकारी क्वॉर्टर्स सोडचे, आदले क्वॉर्टर्स मोडून परत बांदतले म्हूण विश्वजीत उलयलो.
The PWD has sent us a notice that is not in condition, you may stay at your own risk. So we have sent those notices. And but people who have retired have to leave. That is not a place where people who have retired. Now we are taking 2 buildings. So now we are asking for extra FSI. So we will take 2 buildings immediately. And those 2 buildings we can go up to 25 flats each building. And we'll try to start. Somewhere you have to make a beginning because those flats there are not worth staying. Maintenance is very poor. We will start with 2 buildings, increase the capacity of the two buildings, rehabilitate people there who are staying because so much staff is there, they require the quarters. So we'll do it in phases.
Bureau Report, Prudent.